Hello students, following question is from part test 1, subject digital logic, chapter logic gates. The question is asked for 1 mark. In the given question we have a circuit given over here which consists of 4 NAND gates and 2 OR gates, and we are supposed to find the output Y, for which options given are: option A is ABC the whole bar, option B is ABC, option C is B, option D is A bar, B, C bar. When such kind of questions are given to us, we would have our solution in 2 steps. Wherein my first step over here would be marking my inputs and outputs for all the gates. So what we will do is, for my first NAND gate, my inputs would be A. Both the inputs are A, and my output for this would be, it would be A bar. Fine. For my second NAND gates, my inputs are A and B, and my outputs for this would be A, B bar. And similarly for my third NAND gate, my inputs are B and C, so my output would be B, C bar. And for my last NAND gate, both the inputs are C, and the output for this would be C bar. And for this my OR gate, let me mark my output as D, for which my inputs are AB bar and BC bar. And the inputs for my final OR gates are A bar, D and C, and my output is Y. So now once we are done over here, we would move to step 2, that is finding the final output. We know that we have just now seen that D is nothing but AB bar plus BC bar, and my Y is equal to A bar plus D plus C bar. From the above equation, that is, let me name it as relation number 1, I can say that Y is equal to A bar plus AB bar plus BC bar plus C bar. Now if we use the De Morgan's law, which states that P bar plus Q bar is equal to P dot Q the whole bar, and if we still extend the idea, that is P bar plus Q bar plus R bar, which would be equal to PQR the whole bar. So what we would get is Y would be equal to A into, that is A dot AB dot BC dot C the whole bar. Now if we use the absorption law, which states that PQ dot P is equal to PQ, so what we would get, our final answer is ABC the whole bar. That is equal to my option A. So my correct option is option A. See, please remember, when we get such kind of questions in which a logical circuit is given to us and we are supposed to find the output Y, we would solve such kind of question in 2 steps. That is, step 1 would be marking the inputs and outputs for all the gates, which we have done over here. And finally, solving this one by one, we would eventually find the output Y in our second step. And for our question, we got final answer as ABC bar, that is my option A. Thank you.